Greetings everybody. I just got Ting Tongs locked back together and I decided to play with Yardsale by the one and only Fast Charlie. Pinned May 25th, 2018. May 25th was my anniversary for my first wife. Anyway, way to bring up bad memories, Fast Charlie. Anyway, I put a pick in it. I played with it a little bit last weekend, but not much. Key works flawlessly. Bidding, but I put a pick in it just a minute ago. Opened her right up. So I'm going to try it again since I'm kind of on a picking roll. Tension clockwise. Just very, very light tension. And we'll see if I can't do it again. It was really quick. Almost. I think I just have one more pin to get. Where is it? I think it's that one. Nope. Well, honest to God, folks, it was under a minute the last one when I just did it. Get a camera going and everything goes to hell on me. So I'm going to start practicing my picking here at my table where I do my videos. It's a big difference from picking in my lap. And this way I get better at doing it on film. Maybe even pick with the phone in front of me like this. Help me get used to not seeing what I'm doing. I'm going to reset. I don't know what I did wrong that time. Get the first binder, which is 4 or 5. Little core movement. I wish stock locks were as easy as some of these quick set challenge locks. I can't get a quick set stock except for my old cheap ones I bought when I first started. They open easy. You can put anything in them and they'll open, but their bidding is crappy. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Yardsale. I didn't even have to counter rotate it. It just opened. There. There we go. What's that? I don't know if these are set or just really light springs. This one's binding. Oh. Oh. I don't know what the hell's going on now. Well, so much than a less than a minute open for me on film. Try counterclockwise tension. See if that changes the binding order at all. Maybe it gives me more feedback. Well, must have been luck. There really is something to this camera shy lock thing. Okay. reset. Gently, barely any tension, just enough to hold the tension wrench up. I think that's what I did. This is so bizarre. Just like wham bam, thank you ma'am the first time. Now even the pins feel different. Very strange. It's got to be a spiritual phenomena. Be like demonic entities in our cameras or something. I should start filming when I practice, just in case. Ooh. Might have overset something. Oh shit. Hope I didn't lose everything there. Okay, I'll go the other way. Kind of a fun lock. You get a lot of feedback. The fault set wasn't that deep that I got before, but you can feel what's going on. But it's interesting how less than a minute before I started, well, maybe a minute before I started recording, I had it picked. This lock feels differently than it did then. Different. Everything's different about it. I mean, I'm having to counter rotate where I didn't have to before. It's fascinating. Let's start over. 1, nothing. 2, a little bit of feedback, a little bit of movement. There we go. There's the fault set I had before. Little counter. Lost a little bit of fault set there. Okay, I don't want to lose what I have. Feels like most of it's set. Well, there's one. And it won't set. Interesting, Fast Charlie. You got some serious mojo in it. There we go. There's a deep fault set just from raking it. Oh, you son of a beehive. There, we're open from a zip. Zipped her open. Cool. All right, that was very odd. I thought that I would have an under 5-minute open, but I didn't. So here we go again. All right, just like I did with Ting. Oops. There. Block's always in view. No, I'm not feeding. Old pin and tray out. Got the key, so I'm going to lock her back up. Uh-oh. There we go. Cool. Wait. There. There we go. My phone was being really weird. It had a notification on it. Google was trying to listen to me. I think the robot apocalypse is going to start with AI and smartphones. They already rule us. Tried Bobby Key's little thing in this before I started picking it. It just didn't work. I need to order me a metal one maybe. I don't know. Some locks it works, some it doesn't. Use the big end on it then maybe. Use this file maybe. Or is this the same kind of file? I don't know. You little fricker. Almost got her. Sorry, guys. You little bitch. Should put these in a vise and do this so they don't spin around on me. Come on, I know you're almost off of there. Amateur hour tonight. Jeez Louise. Okay, here we go. Make sure you don't fall out. Get the little spring out. Put the key in. Said no shim needed. We shall test that hypothesis. We shall test it. Let's use my good old fashioned. Ah, look at that. I see some goodness. See some goodness. I see some wallering out in one. That should have made for a really deep false set, threading in 2 and 3 and nothing in 4 and 5. So let's, oh, brother. Ah, good. Just gonna dump them and then put them in the right one because I'm doing this right-handed. Now ting tongs, you'll see in that video, I put them in backwards. I put, 5 in one spot and so on and so forth. Figured it out when I went to put it back together. Wasn't that hard to figure out, except I started dropping pins like I'm doing here, and I dropped them on the floor. I had to look for them with a flashlight. I think that's right. It was no fun. Okay, so we already saw what was done to the core. Let's see what he's got going on up in the Bible now. It's a fun lock fast, Charlie. Very fun lock. Well, my Sparrow's tweezers for these plastic followers. This looks like a pin and pin. Son of a... Oh, wow. I don't know how the hell that went in. You got a little drilled wafer there. Oh, it's a drunken spool. Drunken spool. Very good. Very good. Copper spring. You know, I've only made one drunken spool, and I haven't seen whoever I sent it to pick it. I don't remember who I sent it to. I haven't seen a lot of mine on video yet. Here's a pin and pin. Well, maybe not. That was just the spring poking out. You sure? No, no hole drilled. Okay, I'm seeing things. Like I said in the Ting Tong video, work has been hell. Son of a bitch. How did that think it went in that way? Yeah. Work has been hell. When I got promoted, the position I took, it's like a year behind in everything. And we're in deep trouble with some certifying bodies and government agency, and I'm trying to make us in compliance. And oh shit, I just dropped it. I can figure out how that one goes. The little serration down towards the key and the spool here. And I dropped. Okay, I'll go to the back side for the last one. Okie dokie. Anyway, so we're in deep shit with certifying bodies and a government agency, a major government agency, and a lot of it is because that particular government agency was at our facility for so damn long. The acting manager that I'm now acting as did not have time to keep current. Therefore, we are now behind. They quit. Promoted somebody else. They couldn't hack it, so they let that person go, and now I'm in trying to fix everything that really should have been done. Where'd my little probe go? Did I drop it? I want to see if there's anything done in the Bible. We'll look with a flashlight. I do not see anything done in the Bible. Okay, good enough. I don't need to probe it. All right, here we go. Fast Charlie. Where's the key? Yard Sale by Fast Charlie. Thank you, Fast Charlie, and thank you, Average Picker, for sending it. Let's get a zoom in on these pins. Whoa, don't want to make you dizzy here. That ought to work. Well, that probe would have been handy. I'll use this thing here. So we got a drunken spool, number 1. Beautiful work. Nice, I think that's upside down. There we go. Nice serrated. We got a nice serrated up here, and I think that one's upside down too, now that I can see through the camera. Serrated down below. It's kind of a serrated spool here. Serrated, spool, serrated, serrated, little spool, all copper springs. Thank you very much for watching. Be blessed, be good to one another, and have a great night. Washington State Picker over and out.